In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana versus ClickUp versus Monday versus Notion, best project management tools. Choosing the right platform can transform how your team plans, executes, and communicates. To make that decision easier, I'll walk you through 4 leading contenders: ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, and Notion, highlighting what each does best, how their AI features show up in real work, and when one might be a better fit than another. I'll keep the focus on clarity and real-world usefulness so you can match the right tool to your goals, your team, and the way you prefer to work. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, aiming to centralize tasks, docs, goals, and communications, so less work gets lost in context switching. If your team feels the pain of work sprawl, where pieces of a project scatter across chats, meetings, and tools, ClickUp is designed to pull everything into one place. At the heart of that approach is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that surfaces answers in context, helps manage projects, and can accelerate typing with AI talk-to-text, so you get ideas down faster. What's unique is the lineup of specialized AI agents: project management agents that track deliverables, marketing agents that draft copy, and software agents that support code-related tasks. Additional agents can manage operations, improve the employee experience, and replace tedious status check-ins, helping teams close the gap between strategy and execution. ClickUp emphasizes enterprise readiness with security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR, and it's used by over 10 million teams. The platform highlights measurable impact, claims of a 384% ROI, 9,400 hours saved, and payback in less than 6 months, framing itself as a hub that not only organizes work, but also scales with you. If you're looking for a single, deeply customizable environment, and want AI woven into everyday workflows, ClickUp is a strong contender. Next is Asana, a leader in human plus AI collaboration, built to connect daily work with strategic goals. If your priority is clarity from top-level objectives down to task execution, Asana shines with goal tracking, timelines, and dependency mapping that keep teams aligned. Asana AI brings AI teammates and smart assists into the workflow. They adapt to your business context and improve as you use them, which helps reduce repetitive follow-ups and keeps project plans accurate. The platform spans project management, workflows, and resource management, with tailored solutions for marketing, operations, and IT. That means whether you're optimizing campaign ROI, automating IT requests, or visualizing capacity, you can do it in one place, while keeping priorities visible. With support for 300+ integrations, Asana plays well with tools across creative production, product launches, and employee onboarding, so you can connect existing systems without reinventing your stack. It's trusted by a large share of the Fortune 100 and is recognized in analyst reports like the Gartner Magic Quadrant and Forrester Wave. Asana's sweet spot is helping teams maintain alignment as they scale, tying individual tasks to goals, portfolios, and roadmaps so everyone understands how their work moves the organization forward. Now, Monday.com. Think of it as a single platform for managing all your work across departments, with dedicated products for marketing, sales, development, and service. If you want to automate routine steps and streamline processes quickly, Monday.com makes that approachable with visual boards, customizable workflows, and easy automations that cut down on manual updates. It focuses heavily on collaboration and communication, helping teams move faster by centralizing handoffs and status in one interface. You can integrate your favorite apps to keep data synchronized, then use dashboards to make data-driven decisions. The platform is recognized as an award-winning market leader and highlights a 345% uplift in ROI. Monday.com is a great fit when you need clarity at a glance, quick setup for cross-team workflows, and the flexibility to tailor boards without a steep learning curve. Finally, Notion. It's a workspace where teams and AI agents capture knowledge, find answers, and automate projects, making it ideal if you want your documentation and project work to live together seamlessly. With Notion 3.0, you can hand off tasks to a Notion agent that works alongside your team and searches across your pages, files, and even the web to surface what you need. It's also a top-rated AI writing tool, which helps with drafting, brainstorming, and refining content, from roadmaps to onboarding guides, right where your tasks and notes live. Notion is trusted by a significant share of large enterprises and fast-growing startups, and it's easy to get started for free. The addition of Notion Mail and Notion Calendar means your inbox, schedule, and tasks can sit in the same system, reducing the friction of jumping between tools. If your team is doc first and values a single source of truth for knowledge and execution, Notion brings structure without losing flexibility. So, how do you choose among them? If you want a comprehensive, AI-forward hub designed to centralize complex work and reduce context switching, ClickUp offers depth and scale with specialized AI agents. If connecting everyday tasks to big-picture goals is the priority, and you need robust integrations with enterprise-ready alignment, Asana is purpose-built for that. If you favor visual simplicity, fast automations, and modular products that meet different departments where they are, Monday.com keeps momentum high with minimal overhead. And if you need a unified place where knowledge, writing, and projects intersect, plus an AI agent that can retrieve answers across your content and the web, Notion provides a flexible, document-centric system. Whichever you choose, focus on the fundamentals. Map your objectives clearly, define owners and timelines, and keep communication where work happens. When a platform's structure mirrors how your team already thinks and collaborates, adoption is smoother, insights are clearer, and those AI features truly amplify your results. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.